Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Altima tail light. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will need a basic screwdriver set and your replacement bulb. This method focuses on the rear tail light, not the brake light. We'll start by accessing the assembly from the trunk, which is surprisingly straightforward. Let's get started. Once you have the assembly exposed, you'll see a few retaining nuts or clips. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Be gentle when pulling the tail light housing away from the car to avoid damage. The old bulb is housed in a socket. A simple counterclockwise twist will release it. Make sure to handle the new bulb by its base.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy car maintenance tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. Check the description below for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, take your new bulb and insert it into the socket. Ensure it's seated correctly, then twist the socket clockwise until it locks into place. Before putting everything back together, it's crucial to test the new tail light. Turn on your car's lights to confirm the bulb illuminates properly. This step saves you from having to redo work later. With the new bulb working, carefully push the tail light housing back into its original position. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the car's body lines. Reinstall all the retaining nuts or clips you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively. Finally, close your trunk and do a quick walk around to ensure everything looks correct and functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.